Exuding confidence in the INDI bloc winning the Lok Sabha polls, the Congress's General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has said that the opposition alliance is set to sweep the NDA away on June the 4th. Taking a jibe at PM Modi, he said that there is no doubt that on the 4th he will be the outgoing Prime Minister.
486 सीटों में तो चुनाव हो चुका है, पर पहले 2 चरण के बाद ही ये बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया था कि इंडिया जनबंधन के पार्टियों को स्पष्ट और निर्णायक जनादेश मिलेगा। पर इसमें कोई शक नहीं हो सकता, ये तय है कि 4 तारीख को ये निवर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री, आउटगोइंग प्रधानमंत्री गोइंग आउट हो जाएंगे। इंडिया जनबंधन की सरकार बनेगी। 5 साल तक इंडिया जनबंधन की सरकार स्थिर सरकार, संवेदनशील सरकार, जिम्मेदार सरकार जरूर बनेगी, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है।
Shivani joins us now. Shivani, I think as the elections have gone on, the INDI alliance has increased its own prediction for itself. What are the final mind games? What is the last throw of the dice that the two alliances are going to make?
See, Ankit, today is the last day of campaign also for the 7th phase of Lok Sabha elections, and these elections will be held for 57 seats across states. And the mind games that we've been witnessing since the very beginning have been that India Alliance is trying to show that it is winning, it is coming to power, though they are not able to tell who would be the Prime Minister's candidate, and that's why they are being lashed out by Prime Minister and the NDA. And the NDA has been on its call of Abki Baar 400 Par. They have been very clear that this time also Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming to power, and with Modi 3.0 they have their own plans at place, while the India Alliance has been claiming that this time BJP seats will go down. So we have to see in this last phase of election what the people decide, and then on 4th of June when the voting results will be out, then what happens. But yes, these are clear mind games that have been going on since the very beginning of the polls this year, that began on 19th of April. And now today happens to be the last leg of the campaign, the last day in fact, where we'll see a lot of big leaders, especially in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, where for 13 seats the polling will be happening. And apart from this, West Bengal also, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, these are the important states where we'll witness election polling that will happen on 1st of June.